Imagine someone steals your iPhone. They now have access to your photos, messages, apps, and personal information. But before they can do anything, there's one feature you need to activate right away. First, open any web browser on your device. In the address bar, type iCloud.com and press Enter. Tap Sign In at the bottom of the page. Enter your Apple ID and your password in the required field. Complete any verification steps if prompted. After signing in to iCloud, scroll down and look for the option Find My and click on it. Wait a few moments while your devices load. You'll see a list of all devices connected to your Apple account. Select your missing iPhone from the list. If the device is online, its current location will appear on the map. Next, tap on Play Sound. Your iPhone will begin playing a loud alert sound, making it easier to locate. Use Play Sound when the phone is inside your house, the phone is in your car, the phone is buried under blankets or bags. If you're still unable to find your iPhone, select Lost iPhone option. While setting up Lost mode, enter a phone number where you can be reached. Add a custom message if you'd like. Example, this iPhone has been lost, please call me, and enable Lost mode. Once activated, your iPhone will remain protected until you recover it. Anyone who finds the device can contact you directly. Keep checking Find My regularly. If recovery seems unlikely, open Find My and choose Erase Device. This will remove personal data, delete photos and messages, protect banking and account information, and that's it.